This is my sister's cat, Kitcat. She's 1.5 years old and she's suffering from a tooth disease. Her gum is bleeding and swollen, so we have to take her to a vet. The cost of surgery in San Francisco costs $2,000. That's why my sister finding out the option. There's a non-profit cat organization in Sacramento that's run by volunteers, and the surgery costs only $600. That's why we are driving 1.5 hours to Sacramento. We are arriving at our Airbnb, ready to settle down now and get ready for tomorrow. It's early in the morning. Right now it's not even 6 p.m. Okay, it's like 5:55 a.m. We are taking the cat to do surgery. Kitcat? Kitcat? Kitcat, turn around. Hello. She's very nervous right now. She's gonna have her teeth removed. Hi. We need to wait for 12 hours to pick up Kitcat, so I'm going to show you around this Airbnb. The most interesting part is this hammock. This hammock is pretty cool. And lying down, you can see this view. It's very peaceful. Finally, it's time to pick up Kitcat now. Welcome home, Kitcat. Are you okay?
We'll be out in a bit.
Before we head back to the Airbnb, we drove around the UC Davis area, and our friend recommended this. It was in late July. This was the only blooming field. Okay, we are in Sacramento, and yeah, I know it's the sunflower season right now. So, because it's sunset right now, so the flowers are not facing the sun. So you can see here, yeah. And actually so many people are doing this. Look at them. Yeah.
They shaved her.
Oh no. After taking care of Kitcat, we went to the Czech restaurant that I always wanted to try. It's chicken perpish, and this one is the pork.
Garlic goulash.
It's called goulash. It's my first time eating this. Let's taste it. Potato cakes and apple strudel, all are very tasty. Thank you for watching. Now Kitcat doesn't need to suffer from the tooth problem. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.